Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy JRE. And right now we're about to check out IVE. It's been a minute, IVE, with their comeback. Kitsch, did I say that right? I don't know. Please correct me in the comments down below. It's rated 12, whatever that means. Is it for 12-year-olds? What is the rating system? I actually don't know the rating system for Korea, actually. IVE just came out with Kitsch last night. I've been excited because IVE has been on a roll. They've been on a roll with like hits. Whether it be from the sampling, from the performance, from the dance, from the catchiness, just from their straight from debut, they've been like hitting. Before I check out this music video, be sure to follow my Discord, link in the description down below, to keep up with everything I've been doing, whether it be on Instagram, TikTok, Twitch, YouTube, your boy everywhere, to be honest, and you should be following. I will be continuing K-pop and chill playlist as a potato. I will be doing K-pop and chill later tonight on Twitch, so be sure to follow me there, probably around 5 p.m. PST. Be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Let's get it, let's go, let's begin. Play my intro. Welcome back. All right, that means you are interested in this reaction video. We're gonna check out IVE Kitsch. Without further ado, let's get it, let's go, let's begin. Ha! Ooh, whoa. Cool. It's our time. Ooh, burning wings. Ooh, okay, Miss Man with that high ponytail. No reply after a DM you sent? Yo, I hate that. But to be honest, I be ghosting people too sometimes. That's my toxic trait. That's your style? Okay. Ooh, it's already have like a catchy ass beat already. Simple. Don't judge them. Don't judge them. You. I like Pokemon.
Who hurt you?
Damn, sorry.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out.
They look cute when they try to act mean. This Kitsch? Wait, what is a Kitsch? Kitsch. Something that appeals to popular or lowbrow tastes is often of poor quality. What? Webster Dictionary told me, so I don't know. Don't blame me. Don't blame me. Alright, let's go back. Haven't even tried this custom fit. You do pop up in my algorithm. Oh, whoa! It went from care free to like, let's get to the, whoa! All the red lights. Oh, this from the teaser. Hey. The only thing I don't relate to is 19, cause your boy old as Damn, she is slaying. For real though. Okay, Miss Mel. They're all beautiful though. I was watching Starship Game Caterers, and I got to know the IVE members a lot better. I love watching that YouTube channel. Aw, they're cute. Look at Ray. I became more like Ray is so cute, first of all. Especially her personality is just a mood.
난 너 때문에 피곤하대.
Is her name right? Okay, get your shit, girl. Ooh, that little Kitsch is it's pretty catchy. Okay. Hey, get it. It ain't. Get it out of here. All the thoughts, the useless thoughts. Okay. Look at them with the varsity jackets and everything. Are they selling them? They look kind of fire. Oh, Mew Mew. I heard about Mew Mew. It was in my algorithm. I don't know how. Ooh, the editing is kind of fire. I haven't paid attention to the editing in this music video for some reason. Kitsch. Whoa, what did it say? Oh, it's already done? Book, not guns, culture, not violence. Okay, bet. You're so weird, Don. What? I've Kitsch. Interesting. Wait, hold up.
It's our time.
If I were to compare this song to every of the other IVE songs, I'm not sure where this would put. They're definitely trying something different, right? Unless they had this style in like their other albums that I haven't checked it out. Oh, this is Don't Judge Me? Don't Judge Me? What is this out? Like the scouting of this music video is actually fire though. Meaning like the places that they use. Ooh, that fur jacket though. Or faux fur. Wonyoung really does stand out for real in this group. But the other girls be slaying, real talk. Them stare downs be intimidating. You're so weird, don't change. I love that. I am weird. Yes, Miss Ma'am. Ooh, yes, Hair in the Wind. Let's go. That's my style. I thought this scene is pretty cute. Oh my god, she's so tiny. Look at her. She's so tiny. She's so cute. I just want to like take her and put it in my pocket. You know, it's like it's almost like celebrating being weird. Yes, ma'am. This ain't my life, for real. You right. I am not an idol. Put the comments down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. I feel like around like the second time, I started even liking it even more. I feel like it's one of those songs for me at least that I have to listen to a little bit, like at least twice to be like, oh, and then just get in the groove of it. The first time, there's so much happening. I don't understand how people like ish the first time unless it's like okay, if it's R&B or some like hard like horns, you know what I'm saying, and drums. I first time listen, I'm probably gonna like it, but without even looking at the lyrics. But I always think like a second time listen is always like official if you really like the song. Especially if you already like the song. First time, second time, you're gonna love the song. But with Kitsch, IVE's Kitsch, the second time even hit more for me. Does that make sense? I feel like in music you have to listen to it like multiple times in order to like love the song, unless you just love the group and that's your bias group. Alright, again, put a comment down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy JRE. Be sure to follow the Discord. I'll be live streaming on Twitch today around 5 p.m. probably. If anything, I'll change the time on Discord. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.